got our boarding pass. Okay, let's try some breads. Guys, always check your gates kasi yun, palagi siya nagbabago. Just check mine and from 101 naging 104 na yung gates ko. So there, going to 104. Galing din ako ng A lounge. And so far sobrang chill nung lounge na yon. Yung food, okay naman. Unti lang yung selection pero masarap naman. So maybe it's better than Marhaba.
Other guests po.
Let's go!
Again, as a reminder, kindly check your surroundings, including seat pocket and overhead compartment, to ensure do not leave any of your personal belongings behind.
Yo, we just got out from the airport. Let's G. Looking for ATM kasi ayaw gumana ng BNI na ATM sa akin kanina. Ganda ng airport nila. It's so nice, the airport here. Just book our Grab. Let's go. So, meron silang lounge for Grab here. So let's go there. Ayun, nakita ko na. Bilis ah. So marang go check and Grab. Let's go to my Grab. Ganda ng ano nila. Airport. Sobrang organized. Taxi. Bakit ng taxi? Taxi. How long is it going there?
25.
25 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Guys, we just got here. Let's go. It's Nikila Seminyak Bali. Let's check in. We have nasi goreng. Let's go. 5. Our room is 512, so let's go. 512. Okay. Maganda. Malaki na pala siya for its price. 1,000 lang siya per night. Almost. Ayun siya. Hello guys. Ooh, cool. Okay na rin. For its price. Okay. Hindi siya ganon kagandahan yung CR. Pero yung bedroom, ang ganda. So, yan siya. Nikila. Seminyak. Oh my God! Guys, this is my first time to travel alone. Hindi naman travel alone. I mean, international travel na mag-isa. So, ayan. Good luck to me, but I'm actually enjoying it so far. And guys, I'm so happy talaga dito sa sa hotel. For 1K per night, okay na siya, no? Meron siyang table, TV, mga side, ang tawag dyan, nightstand. Hindi, joke lang. Basta yung table sa gilid. Tapos dalawang pillows and all that. Tapos, CR, yung toilets. Okay na rin. For 1K. And may mga towels din here. Parang sa Philippines, walang gantong 1K. Okay na hotel. Tapos okay yung location. Yun lang. Morning guys! It's our day 1 here at Bali. And for today, we're just going to coffee shop hopping here in Bali. So, or probably Seminyak area lang muna. Or Canggu, if kaya pa. Or try ko rin mag-surf pala today, if may time. Siya sa katang ulo ko. So, hindi ko sure if kaya ko siya gawin. Also, look at my, may balcony pala siya guys. Ayun no, in my view siya. Tapos may balcony siya. Ayun, nasusi. Pero there, already prepped. Pero, grabe talaga. Ang mura niya for around 1K lang per night. By the way guys, I bought this Ursiflora pala. Ursiflora. For gut defense. Basically, ano siya, mga probiotics lang. Para iwas sa belly. And ma-enjoy natin yung trip natin here. So basically, dito kasi may parang, may tinatawag na belly. Kasi, ayun, parang sa Coron, merong mga instances na may mga nagkakaroon ng diarrhea kasi possible bacterial infection or whatnot. Especially kung mag-street food ako or mga karinderya. Guys, paglabas ko umuulan pala. So there. So can I go? Grab car. Outfit check. Nakapang running po tayo. Hindi, joke. Day 1. 1K. Joke. Guys, we're going to Revolver Coffee. We're here at Revolver. There. Pero, andito rin pala yung juice. Ex machina. Check natin later. Iba na tayo mag-shopping. Pero let's go first dun sa Revolver. Coffee?
Sendiri ya. Gus.
Double bacon burger. $3,000. Might get this one. Japan. Ganda ng stores nila. Like it's giving Europe. Hindi, joke. Iba lang. Okay. Ang ganda ng mall. Pero maliit lang siya, pero maganda yung interior niya. check-in for our Binder series. Ito ang ganda. Color. Mas parang di siya Binder series. Surabaya. Here, we have the Indonesia. Which one is better? The green or the red one? Red one. Guys, lakad-lakad lang here. At the malapit ata to sa flea market. So punta na rin ako ng flea market.
Yeah.
Guys, we're here at flea market. Pero may bayad. Chocolate. Flea market. So this is the flea market. Guys, let's check ano pwedeng mabili dito aside sa mga damit na baka hindi rin ako bumili. Pero since nadaanan na, let's go na. Guys, we booked a bike grab going to Starbucks Reserve. I want to buy the Bali mug if meron sila. Yung previous kasi na pinuntahan ko, ano lang siya, Indonesia mug na red. I want the blue one na Bali. So yun, let's find it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. So huge. Laki. Ang laki niya. Anong meron dito sa kabila? Roastery. Experience Center. Nako, Starbucks. Okay, ang bango. Ganda. Seems like sold out na rin. Yeah, sold out na rin. Wala. Wala. Yung version nata. Kasi maliit. Guys, they do have special beverages. So let's try the Diwata latte.
You want to make a strong coffee, medium coffee, or light coffee?
What is Diwata latte?
Diwata latte, we use a brick milk, brown sugar, and also with mocha syrup.
Alvin? Thank you. Over naman sa motivation. Hindi, joke. Pero wait guys, just got here at Starbucks Reserve Diwata. And ayun, from flea market nag-grab ako. And yung total ko is 11,000 lang. So around 40 pesos lang siya. Nagulat ako, ang tagal ng biyahe. Like 30 minutes ako nasa grab bike. Tapos feeling ko bitim na ako, hindi. Ang init. Ayun, ang mura niya. For 40 pesos, 30 minutes ride. Ang sulit. Pero ayun, nandito ako ngayon sa Diwata Starbucks. And yun, ang laki ng place ng Starbucks. Tapos I ordered Diwata special beverages, special drink na coffee. And meron silang pa-message. Stay happy. Ayan. Over naman sa motivation. Hindi, joke yan. Ayun. This one is 84,000 IDR. So roughly, magkano to? 298. So yun. Medyo mahal siya kasi special coffee siya. So let's try kung masarap. And to be honest, para lang siyang white mocha sa akin. Or barista drink. Though may chocolate syrup siya. May mocha syrup. Pero, yeah, parang nothing special. Also, I went here just to buy the Bali mug na Starbucks. Kasi apparently, sold out na rin siya. And tinanong ko yung one of the staff here. Lahat daw ng branch, wala ng Bali mug. Because sold out talaga siya. So, ayun, across Bali. Sad. So, not sure if bili na lang ako na iba like Indonesia mug or ibang province mug. Kasi okay rin kasi ibang province. Kaso, hindi ko siya napuntahan. Pero yung color, maganda naman. The green one. Guys, I went up. And ang laki rin yung second floor nila. Yung mga tables dun sa left terrace. Pero din dito and there. Farmer Support Center. May pa ano sila.
Lahir di Klaten, Jawa Tengah pada tahun 19.
Mga farmers ng coffee nila.
Pendidikan terakhir saya adalah doktor. Selain pendidikan formal, saya juga mendapatkan training baik di dalam maupun luar negeri seperti di Brasil, di Prancis, dan negara-negara lain.
Grabe yung laki ng store talaga. Parang ganda dito pag gabi. Kasi may outdoor sila. Ngayon, I just finished my SB. And time check, it's 2:35. Yeah, 2:35. And di ko sure if magsisurf na ba ako or tomorrow morning na lang kasi medyo mainit. Yeah, or mag-beach club na lang ako sa Potato Head. So, yeah, Potato Head or surf. Pag ito, 1 yung binigay ko, Potato Head tayo. Pag 2, magsisurf na tayo ngayon. So, 1, 2, 3.
Ano ginagawa mo?
Hindi, joke lang. Potato Head. Okay, sige. I'll just go na diretso kay Potato Head. Pero naisip ko rin umuwi sa hotel para i-drop off tong mga H&M na binili ko. Kasi pwede naman siguro siyang dalhin sa ano eh. So, para isang diretso na lang ako. Ayoko nang bumalik pa sa hotel kasi wala rin naman talaga akong gagawin. I mean, iwan ko lang siya. So, sayang. Pero ayun, ang mura actually ng mga Grab. Parang kahit Grab car, parang less than 100 lang siya palagi. Versus, yung mga bike Grab naman, around 30 to 40, 50 pesos. So, medyo mura talaga yung mga transpo dito, even Grab. Guys, we're here at the Potato Head Beach Club. Bawal lang pala mga food dito. So, meron tayong voucher for kasi kung yung bottled water. Laki pala nito. May mga stores din inside. Love it. I love the vibe. Just a chill day here. Triple monkeys. May ano din dito. Daybed. Ang ganda. It's raining, guys. Need free umbrella, but it's raining hard. This one is the recycled plastics daw. As per kuya. May shop sila. Let's go there. As per ate, just to follow the bamboo. So let's go. Kasi doon yung pick up ng mga online apps. Yun guys, we're here now at the hotel. Pero I just booked a Gojek going to Madis Warung. So yun yung dinner natin. So let's end the night with a good dinner. We made it here at Madis Warung. We just got sila. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy it.
Satay and nasi goreng for dinner with bintang. Okay, let's try it. Chicken satay. Medyo manghang siya na matamis. It's good. With coconut. Sarap. And let's try the nasi goreng. This one is shrimp, pork, and rice. Sarap. Live pala yung piano. Guys, just built out. Ang mura niya, 165 lang siya. Pag convert natin, magkano ba yan? 165, 500 lang siya. Ay, parang one drink lang siya kanina nung sa Potato Head eh. So, ayan. Speaking of Potato Head, around 2K yung bill natin. Kasi I had 2 drinks and 1 fries. Then, yung towel may bayad din. So, all in all, umabot siya ng around 2K. So, yun. Sulit naman kasi pwede ka naman maglangoy. Maganda yung view, maganda yung music. Masarap naman. Okay naman yung food and cocktails. So, yun. Pero sobrang sulit lang dito sa ano. Kasi ang sarap niya. Madis Warung. For legit nasi goreng and satay. Hi guys, good morning. And for today, we're going to surf in Kuta Bali. Time check, it's already 8:20 and yung driver nasa baba na for pickup for the surfing lesson. I booked this on Klook. So, i-ano ko na lang, i-flash ko na lang sa screen how much siya. Pero mura lang, less than 1,000. Kasama na yung pick up round trip. Also, kasama na yung lessons.
What happens then?
Guys, we're gonna surf today. Look at the waves. I'm chilling with my coffee. Guys, kakagising ko lang. Diyan. Kakagising ko lang. Hindi, joke lang. We just woke up. And yun, after kasi ng surfing natin, ni-drop off din ako dito sa hotel. Tapos ayun, after freshening up, nakatulog ako. And time check, it's 1 p.m. na. Hindi pa tayo nag-lunch. Pero I'm planning to go to Canggu na lang for chill day. Kasi sobrang nakakapagod pala talaga yung surfing. So, ayun. Kanina, sobrang nag-enjoy ako. Naka maraming try naman tayo. Siguro mga 1 hour kami sa 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 dagat. Yung 1 hour na yun, ubos talaga energy. Given hindi pa ako nag-breakfast yun. Pero nagkape naman ako. Pero sobrang nakakapagod. So, instead of going to Uluwatu, mag-Canggu na lang ako para mas malapit and mas chill yung itinerary today. Book na ako ng Grab going Canggu. Pero ayun, gusto ko rin i-check yun sa taas kasi sa taas may pool area pala and bar. So, sa taas ng hotel. So, check ko na din. May area pa rin pala doon. Ang daming mangga, look. May mangga dito, yung malapit. Pero doon, ang dami ring mangga sa kabilang side. OA naman sa mangga. Ito guys, ano pala? Gusto lang resto here sa taas ng hotel. Ito ba yung pool? Area pa dito. Yeah, I think they have pool here also. Oh, they have a nice pool actually. Ang laki Hindi, joke. Over naman. Over naman sa laki. Ayan siya. Not bad talaga siya, no? For 1,000 per night. Like 1,000 to per night. Ang mura niya. Ang mura niya na talaga. Ang mura ng mga hotel dito sa Bali. Drink and food, may mga pasta burger sandwich din. And mga nachos. Is this book go check going to Canggu. This is their menu. We're at the Island Beach. What the? And may mga nag-surf. Ang ganda. Mexicola is here. We'll try that tonight. Kasi kakakain lang natin. But it's a taco restaurant bar. Mexicola. There. Walang taco. Dalon. Let's go to Dalon. Yun na, saw it. Dalon. So let's go. No?
Pay with card or cash?
Cash. Cash. Cash.
Card.
Guys, we bought this one. Monkey Forest Starbucks ref magnet. It's so nice. Also got this Indonesia mug from Binder series Indonesia SB. Okay. Hindi ganun kamahal yung coffee nila. Like, magkano lang to? 150? What is the best seller here?
This one, the Blacklist Monthly.
Okay, one of these. That's
Thank you.
So we got our drinks here. So let's see if masarap. Looks good naman siya. First bite? Hindi. First bite. First sip. Sarap. Ang sarap niya. Yeah, worth it to. Thank you David Gison for the recommendation. Di chak. Pero ayun. I saw it kay David Gison na vlog. Ang sarap ng foam niya. Vanilla foam na what do you call this? Na citrusy. Ang sarap. Ang thick. Yeah. Yo, ang sarap. For now, let's unbox our stuff na nabili sa Love Anchor Market. So, let's go. Ito yung sa akin, I think. Medyo subtle lang yung ano niya. Yung mga logo. So, that's why I bought it. And local brand siya. So, might as well get it na. Pero may pasalubong na rin ako. Hindi na ako mahirapan. So, I got the gray one, the blue, the gray ulit. Ay, talaga yung gray ko. The navy blue. Then one pink. One, what do you call this hat? this one. It's nice though. Also, got some shirts. Also got something like this for my lola. Bale shirts like this. So, I think that's it. I got another one. Pero naka-plastic pa siya. So, hindi ko na siya open. Pinakita ko lang kasi ayoko nang i-unbox sa hotel. And we're here outside the Blacklist. Yeah, Blacklist Coffee Roast. Blacklist Coffee Roaster. And ang daming coffee shop dito and mga cafes near in the area dito sa Canggu. Eh, ayun. This one, I saw it on one of the recommendation ni David Gison on his vlog. And so far, nag-enjoy ako. Ang dami talagang cafe. Ala. The Common Cafe. Kaso wala na akong makain. Okay. Saan nga ba nito sa Canggu? Puro random cafe, restaurants, shops, and all. Guys, ang cute. Stevie's.